Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning and welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Keep inspired, keep motivated, and look to kickstart your day. If you'd like to book your free 30-minute call, send me a text message on 07801 543 515. The calendar is open for you because today is the perfect day to start to tackle that problem or the issue that you've got that's just bugging you day after day. Think about that problem you got right now and how much you just want it to stop. It's going to keep happening unless you take action. Stop ignoring the pain. The time is now. But first, here is today's quote from Oprah Winfrey. Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. It's so simple that we already know it. We know it, but so many of us don't do it. It's like brushing your teeth. You know what will happen if you don't, but so many people ignore it. Whatever you're trying to do in life, do all you can to avoid those alternative outcomes of bad breath, gum disease, and those are just two of the outcomes you can do by not doing what you should be doing. Start today to save your teeth for tomorrow.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.